All right, welcome back, my 4th and 5th grade friends. Last time we were here, it was block 2, week 3. We are now in block 3, week 1. So we had our flex week last week where you had time to submit anything from block 2 that wasn't done. We are jumping back in with our color, okay? So you want to grab your sketchbook, open it up to your color invention page. Now that color invention page was somewhere where we experimented with creating colors and creating different moods for those colors. You're going to use this page today to help you create an abstract painting or drawing. Now, what is abstract? Think about back in kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade. Abstract art is what we do all the time. Abstract art just means that you don't have to make it look like anything real. And abstract art works perfectly when we're talking about moods and expressions. There's actually a whole genre of art made just for abstract art about moods and expressions, and it's called Abstract Expressionism. Very fitting name, I know. We read The Noisy Paint Box when we first started exploring color and experimenting with how color feels, and Vasily Kandinsky, our Russian artist that we read about his life, he is an abstract expressionist. And that means that he often used emotion to drive his paintings more so than what it actually looked like on the paper. So I'm going to do a few examples in a few different materials of some abstract expressionist paintings and drawings so that you can kind of get an idea what to do. But here's the thing. If you pick the same thing as me, you can't make it look like mine. When we did our sketchbook covers and I was giving you ideas and in our demonstrations, you were taking that as inspiration, that's all good. That's what I want you to do. That's why I do it. When I'm doing these demos, I want you to take it as an idea of like, here's what we're going for, but really you're in 4th and 5th grade now. I want you to take that idea and run with it, okay? If yours looks like mine, then apparently we have the same exact feelings, which, I mean, could be true. But I feel like each of you is a very complex individual and each of you has your own unique feeling that you want to express. And someone's anger might not look the same as someone else. Someone's happiness might look very different than someone else's. So think about the colors you created last week. Use those colors for inspiration. You are going to name your painting or drawing, your abstract expressionist artwork. You're going to name it after one of the colors you created and use that color in your artwork. So whatever color you created, you're going to look at that color, you're going to build a whole artwork around that emotion, and the title of your color will be the title of your painting. So for example, if I wanted to use this color in mine, the title of that one is Stormy Seas, but I'm going to do a serene painting. That might seem kind of weird because like storms are definitely not serene. Serene means calm. But I feel like the color of the storm made me kind of feel calm. And sometimes thunderstorms, even though the thunder and lightning isn't calm, I like to fall asleep to thunderstorms. So everybody's is a little bit different. You know, it might not make sense to everybody as long as it makes sense to you. But I'm going to do some quick examples of some different feelings to kind of get you started. Then you're going to use the white piece of paper that you got handed out by your homeroom teacher. I handed these out in school. If you are totally virtual and you did not have a chance to come to school to pick one up, you can use another one of the blank pages that's in the back of your sketchbook to do this on. I'm handed out these papers because they're thicker. These are much thinner. These are easier to paint on. Okay, you can use this though, that's fine. So, let's get started.